So how to change IP address on Google Chrome or change your country? Type Fox extension. This is a Chrome extension. If you use Firefox, then use Firefox add-ons. The same process. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Then just click on this extension and you need to select your language, then create an account. Suppose you want to change your country like US, United States. See, it's a Texas. It's an USA. Okay, guys. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and press like button. Thank you.